sound. Pinewood Derby cars just got cooler. Let's install the police car light and sound kit. Measure and find the center of the roof. Place the block in a vise. Use either a 1 1/8 inch paddle or Forstner bit. Drill a hole 5/8 of an inch deep. Insert the sound module. Make sure the top fits flat to the roof. Press the button once for lights, twice for sound, and press one more time to turn off the sound. Now let's put on some underglow lights. Remove the battery shipping tab and test the lights. Find the center between the axles. The light strips will go between the wheels. Find the center width of the car. Mark where the two lines intersect. Measure 7/8 of an inch from the mark toward the rear of the car. Make a second mark. The module will be installed here. Place the block in a vise. Use either a 1 1/8 inch paddle or Forstner bit. Drill a hole 3/8 of an inch deep. Cut a slight relief in the rear of the hole so wires will lay relaxed. At this stage, you should paint and decorate your car. Insert the module. Curve the wires gently. Remove the adhesive backing on the LED strips. Apply the strips carefully to the bottom of the car. Apply the clear vinyl underside decal to secure the kit. Wrap the decal over the sides to keep things locked together. And there you have it, an awesome police car racer. You can only install one light kit per car, so we're going to put the head and tail lights on a race car. Be sure the design you choose can accommodate the lights. Designs with flatter areas on the front and rear work best. Trace or draw your designs onto the front and rear, marking the light locations. Then, locate the center of the racer on the bottom and mark as well. Draw a guideline from the center mark to each light mark on the bottom. Place the block in a vise and use a 1 1/8 inch paddle or Forstner bit to drill a hole deep enough for the lights to intersect. Use a 3/16 inch drill bit to drill a starter hole from the light locations to the module hole. Do this for all 4 locations. Make sure all holes go completely into the module hole. The package directions say to use a 1/4 inch bit, but you may want to try a smaller size, like a 7/32 inch bit for a more snug fit. Drill the 4 LED light holes to their final sizes, making sure the bit reaches the module hole for proper sizing. Cut, sand, paint, and decorate your racer to the desired design. Remove the battery tab and test your lights. Separate the 4 LED lights and thread them into the desired locations, pulling them out about an inch. Carefully apply a drop of glue into each hole and set the lights back into the holes. When the glue sets, coil up the excess wires and carefully place them in the module hole beneath the button. Tension from the button's rubber case will hold the module in place. And there you have it, a hot new racer with lights. Now go race!